guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez en mi canal. If you're new here, hello, bienvenido, ¿qué tal? What's up? So you can hear stuff outside. My mom is outside, which is like right behind this wall, getting something from the shed. I don't know. Of course she does that as soon as I sit down to film. So, as you can tell by the title already, this is gonna be kind of like my skincare. This is gonna be my nighttime routine for the skincare. If you guys don't know, I travel between Pennsylvania, Philly area, and Delaware a lot, because obviously I don't have a huge collection of like skincare stuff that I would have at home, but I do kind of bring a lot of stuff with me. My skin is breaking out slightly today. If we can maybe see, there's a few little spots. So I'm gonna show you guys how I situate that, especially when traveling too. But I wanna show you guys my travel bag. So it usually looks like this. Let me show you how it usually looks with everything inside of it. Ow, what was that? I can hear like stabbed me. Here's my bag. There's obviously a few things missing out of it because it's in the other bathroom. It's just like my toothbrush and stuff like that, like deodorant, those types of things. So yeah, this is my travel bag. It's by Isaac Mizrahi. It's just silver. And then it opens up and it's got like this huge compartment of space, and then it's got the little hook so that it can hang up, and then you've got all of your stuff there. So I'm not gonna go over everything that is in here, obviously, because that would be boring. So I'm gonna take out my little baggie. I love this little clear bag. This is kind of stuff that I would bring even if I was just like going to someone's house for like the night or two. How many face masks did I bring? I think I only brought one, and it's for dry skin, moisturizing. What is this? Peter Thomas Roth. So we're not gonna use that one. I also brought this little Glam Glow mask. What is this one from? Firming Treatment Mask. Do I wanna use this one? Oh, I haven't even opened it yet. Maybe we'll use that one, we'll see. So there's mainly face stuff in this little clear bag, but I do have a few other things just kind of like thrown in here. So not gonna lie, I do bring a lot of skincare with me just because I like to be prepared for if my skin is freaking out or not, if it's fine, if it's dry, you never know. So I like to kind of be prepared and just kind of bring like a little bit of everything. I have a few different face washes. I think I bring usually 2 to 3 different face washes. Seems like a lot, but I don't like using the same thing on my skin. I like to kind of change it up. So I got these two, both Peter Thomas Roth, the More Mud one and the Acne Clearing Wash. So since my skin is kind of freaking out tonight, I'm gonna use this one. So it is just the Peter Thomas Roth, what is this? Acne Clearing Wash. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. Usually I wash my face and use like a face scrub in the shower, but notice how we're not in the shower. So I'm gonna use washcloths to kind of wet my face and wash everything off, and then I grabbed an extra one to dry my face off with. So I'm gonna wet my face. And this is just a normal face cleanser. I usually really like washing my face in the shower too because it's nice and hot in the shower. So obviously with all the steam and just being in the hot room is really gonna open up your pores. And I feel like I can like soak my face under the really hot running water. So I'll kind of stand there with my face like with the water on it to really open up my pores. And then I wash my face in there, and usually I will kind of leave my face wash, and this is all the time. I usually like washing my face in the shower, but I only really shower at night. I have a nighttime shower, so that is really opening all my pores, and all of the goodness can really clean everything out. That's why too I'm like the worst with like eyelash extensions, because I like to stand underneath the running water, you know, when I wash my face. That's like the best part of washing my face. That's the best part of showering, honestly. So now wash it off. I only do so much with my hands, so I'm gonna get water everywhere. And I really make sure to like wash on my neck too, because what I'm like really stressing out like right now is when like my neck will break out. No bueno. So then, since my skin is breaking out, I usually will go in with a scrub. And you guys know I shop at TJ Maxx all the time, so I have a few different scrubs. I had a set of like 3 different scrubs. So I just kind of usually rotate between all of them. I'm trying to see if there's maybe something else I want to use instead. Oh, I have the Kate Somerville. We can use Kate Somerville. Intense Firming and Brightening Treatment. Transforming Almond Facial. Pore Balance Facial Scrub. We'll do this next. I'm going to go in actually with my Pore Balance Facial Sauna Scrub by Ole Henriksen. Oh, here's my other one. The Transforming Walnut Scrub or the Walnut Polish. This is like drying. Again, though, I would usually do this step in the shower. So, and this one is really nice though because it like heats up. It's called the sauna one because it like really does warm up. It's like so nice. I can get this out of here. Oh, why isn't it coming out? This is one of my all-time favorite scrubs because it does heat up your skin really nicely. And then if you're already doing this in the shower where it's nice and hot and warm, I just really feel like it's nicely clearing out your pores. Like I can already feel it when I rub my hands together. You do kind of want to be a little bit more gentle with this one and not push it into your skin too much because it does have like little beads in it. But I really like to make sure I get it like around my nose where I really like break out and get like those like whiteheads. All right in here is where I usually break out. I've got my breakout right here a little bit. And around my jawline is usually really bad. And I had a few spots today on my forehead. So I will just kind of scrub this around for a while. Wash this off. I just always scrub my face too hard with this washcloth because this washcloth does kind of have a texture to it. I'm just gonna dry my skin now. I would be out of the shower at this point. Don't really think I brought the best face masks for when my skin is like breaking out. So I'm not gonna do a face mask today. So we did a regular face wash, face scrub. Now it's time for the treatments. Let's see. Like I said, I've got like a handful of products here to choose between. Usually I like using this little set together, especially when my skin is freaking out because it really does change my skin. But I think I've shown you guys that before, but I think that's what I'm gonna go with today. I'm gonna use my toner. Let me see if I can remember which toner this is, because it just says toner on it. I actually just refill this, like kind of wash it out and refill it. This is the, I know the bottle, it's just witch hazel, basically. It's witch hazel, but it's the certain brand that I really like that you can find at like Rite Aid. If I can remember to put it somewhere on the screen, I will. So I'm just gonna kind of put this all over my skin. So just a toner. Again, I'm trying to be kind of gentle because I really actually do like these washcloths. I love that it has a slight texture to it, but since my skin is already breaking out, don't wanna like irritate it too much. Gucci. So we've got our toner down. Now, since I do have a few breakouts, I'm gonna go in with like a spot treatment, just a little bit. This is just the e.l.f. Zit Zapper. Pretty sure I've poured aloe vera, aloe, or like, usually I like to use the Lush spot one. That's usually what I use at home. But see, it's just really easy. You just kind of, it's got a roller ball and you just roll it on any of your spots, your zits. And you do feel it kind of burn a little bit, so like I feel like it's working, but I feel like it's not too crazy strong. See my freckles in this video, in this lighting? Maybe not. There's Beyonce, that's that freckle right there. I am gonna go in though with my favorite duo, skin transforming duo that I like swear by. I love this stuff. I got this in a set. So the first one is just the Ole Henriksen. I'm not really sure if that's gonna focus for you to see what it says. I don't think it's going to. It's the Ole Henriksen Invigorating Night Treatment Overnight Resurfacer 12 Source AHA Complex. This stuff is so amazing. I don't really like sticking my fingers in here, but we just did all that cleaning stuff, so hopefully they're clean enough. But so it's like literally like just a clear gel. Take a little bit of this on my finger. Probably can't even see how much is on there right now. It's really not that much. I don't know where to go for you to see. It's not that much at all and it goes a long way. So I'm just gonna put this all over my skin and it kind of burns. Someone can tell me in the comments if it's a bad thing, but it works wonders on your skin. Especially, oh, it's burning like that little bump right there. And I just kind of let that sink in. So while that is like soaking into my skin, I'm gonna run and go find my under eye cream. Sometimes I do under eye cream first. I usually do my under eye cream if it's an actual cream and not like a gel formula. I will do that usually first if I'm gonna be putting on an oil. I don't know why. I just usually do that, which is probably should be the other way around, but I'm gonna run and go find it really fast. All right, so I do use two separate under eye creams. So for nighttime, I like to use something that's a little bit thicker, obviously, because I'm not gonna be putting makeup and stuff on top of it. So this is one that I'm still trying to finish up. It's lasted me forever because you don't need a lot of it. It's just the Dead Sea brand. It's their anti-aging eye cream. I don't know. I got this from TJ Maxx a while ago, but I'm getting there. It's almost done. Again, something I don't really like putting my fingers into. I don't really like putting my fingers in any cream at all, but just using that much. And I just kind of pack it all around my eye area, which I've said before. All right, I'm gonna grab some more of it and put it on this side. You guys know I put it all around my eye area, especially like where your crow's feet would be. And I though just bring it all around because I feel like people usually miss their eyelid. I don't know, I like adding it there too because I feel like it's your skin on your face that needs it. And I'm not sure how it must look on camera, but I'm trying to be gentle, obviously. Now for moisturizer, I'm gonna go in because it works together with the Ole Henriksen. Again, this one is probably not gonna focus, the like writing on the little container, but it's just the Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation All Skin Types Anti-Aging Moisturizer. I don't know. I have a bigger thing of this one too, but it's almost gone. There's more of the gel than of this. Let's see if that's enough to go down my neck too, because you cannot forget moisturizing and putting oil on your neck. So this I can kind of skip around my eyes because I did just put such a heavy cream moisturizer under my eye, and that didn't cover barely any. That's why it's almost gone. And I like to kind of put the moisturizer up into my hairline just because you guys know I don't wash my hair every day. This is like the first part that would show if like my scalp is getting dry. So I don't want it to get too dry, but I do know what they say about putting moisturizer in your hair follicles, that it's not a good idea because it like stops it from growing, but I ignore that clearly. All right, so I'm gonna kind of put this on my neck too. Is not looking the best. So then usually I would really like let that soak in and dry. So I'm gonna try to sit here for a hot second and let that soak into my skin. You guys know though that usually before I go to sleep, I like to put chapstick, like a really thick moisturizing chapstick on. So I would do that right before I go to bed. But since I do have a few breakouts, so obviously I wouldn't do this all the time, we're gonna add on some pimple patches. Because yes, you guys know I bought them from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know I brought them. Where are they? See, I did bring my pimple patches. I brought them along with a ton of Theraflu in case I got sick. Every time I see these at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, I always buy these little pimple patches. The Alba Botanica brand. You can get these from a lot of different places though. I know Peter Thomas Roth has ones that are like $1 million, but you can find them basically anywhere. I should put pimple patches on a few spots. I need a different mirror closer. And these are nice though because they are like a flesh tone. So they like really blend in with my skin. Can you kind of see where the dots are? Oh, there, now you can, huh? So it's like a really nice flesh tone. Love it. So we've got 2 different sizes. There. I'm gonna put one on my neck because I don't like when I've got bumps on my neck. And I don't want it to scar because I will keep messing with it. I'm the worst. That's why I really, really like these pimple patches though, is because I do pick at my face. So if there's something on my face that I can mess with, I will mess with it. And these kind of keep them hidden. Just you can't mess with them. Are kind of like gold to me. So I only put it really where I really need it, or if I have like a bump that I can tell I would pick at it, I would definitely put like a pimple patch on it. So there you have it. That is my nighttime skincare routine for when I'm traveling. These are some of my favorite products to use, especially when I'm traveling, mainly because they're like sample size, but I'm pretty sure you can go get little sample sizes of all this stuff from like Sephora, or if you have like little containers to travel with, you can always put it in those. But these are some of the things that I really, really like using because they just always seem to help my skin no matter where I'm at, but especially when my skin is freaking out and I've got like a few pimples here and there for whatever reason. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I did also do my morning travel skincare, but I will link it or put it in the card somewhere so that you guys can see my morning routine. I'm gonna be here for a few days, so I will probably come back and do a night routine where I show using one of those masks because I do want to use that Glam Glow mask. So we will come back and probably do another one. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know if you guys have tried out any of these products or if you love any of these products, because Ole Henriksen and Peter Thomas Roth are like it for me, those 2 brands, you know. So yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching este video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.